How's it going, guys? My name is Julian Tarkov, and today I'm presenting you one of our latest drones called Salvatore. And what's the special thing about Salvatore is that it could fit your industry with ease. We made this drone to be operated super easily, to be capable of not only flying but transporting payloads up to 10 to 15 kilograms, fly up to 30 minutes, and with a distance of around 20 kilometers. And all this with this controller over here. This is our ground control station from where we operate the drone. We have different flight modes as well as autonomous mode, which allows you to plan mission and just let the drone do its thing, and you don't really need to have any input into the mission itself. So we will present you how easy this drone is to fly. We have made the drone, so first, before we fly it, let me just say why this drone is perfect fit for you. So, it's very easy to assemble. All you have to do to assemble it is literally just do this. You see? And it's ready to go in the box. Super easy. And then if you wanna assemble it back up, you just do this. Super easy, guys. Super easy. You don't need to use screwdrivers. No, you just take out the drone out of the box, you put it on top of the box, and you put the battery, and you're ready to fly.